To unclog your sink, try using boiled water. Just bring a pot of water to boil, then carefully pour it down the drain of your sink. The heat from the water should help break up the clog. If that doesn't work, try using baking soda and white vinegar. First, pour 1 cup, 180 grams of baking soda down the drain. Then pour in 1 cup, 235 milliliters of white vinegar. Let the baking soda and white vinegar fizz for 15 minutes. Then run hot water to flush out the clog. You can also use a flat-bottomed plunger to plunge the sink drain. Place the suction cup at the end of the plunger over the drain so there's a tight seal. Then pump the plunger up and down until the clog gets sucked away and your sink drains properly. If you don't have a flat-bottomed plunger, you can also try using a wire coat hanger to unclog your kitchen sink. Start by unraveling the coat hanger and bending the end into a hook shape. Insert the hooked end of the hanger into the drain as far as you can, and wiggle it up and down while twisting it to help break up the clog. If nothing is working, you may need to use a drain snake to reach further down into the drain. If your sink has a garbage disposal, try turning it on to see if that breaks up the clog. If all else fails, it might be time to call a plumber.